are we here, Agent Mona?
We're here because we're going to train swimming.
Swimming? What does it have to do with heroes?
When we fall into the water, or when the villain escapes into the water, if we don't know how to swim, then we can't call ourselves heroes. And that is why we need to do this. Mia! Are you okay? We need to find swimming instructors first.
Junie!
Tony!
Power up! Chippy, 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 choo! Splish, splash, swimming! Chippy, 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 choo! Junie, Tony, sports!
Junie!
Tony! Are you looking for swimming instructors?
We are here for you.
Swimsuit! Okay! Swimming cap! Okay! Swimming goggles! Okay! Warming up! Okay! And now...
Let's learn how to breathe first.
Underwater, out of water. Underwater, out of water. Splish, splash, it's so fun. Time to swim!
Now let the swimming begin. Feel free to swim as you like. Ready? Go!
Tommy up. On the water.
Move your arms like a windmill. Backstroke! Arms and legs. Fold and spread. Fold and spread. Swim like a frog. Breaststroke!
Big circle with your arms. Push with your feet.
Fly like a butterfly. Butterfly stroke!
Oh, is that freestyle swimming?